Sweetie dee 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 dee. Say what now? Jesu laita. Ngobora. Na 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 na. Mm-hmm. Guys, can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me? Guys, can you hear me? And is the question clear? Zoom nderengeza vonongeke because if I zoom where to write will go up. You understand? Ngata zoom. I think sometimes net ni phone yangu guys. Mati ngania phone yangu hapa. Is it clear? Kaya. Now guys, me I'll go with those who are saying it's clear because then I can see it's clear. So the question is saying, let's start with the question. All right. The question is saying the diagram below this diagram shows two figures P and Q on the X or Y plane. So now they're telling us to describe, all right? It's saying describe fully the single transformation that maps P onto Q. So, ladies and gentlemen, the transformation that has been used to map P to Q is refraction. All right, it is a refraction, and I'm going to explain why I've said it's refraction. Okay, it is a refraction because look at this. I hope it will work. Our mirror is passing at 2. Okay, so So, guys, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me? This, have you seen this ruler? If I was to put it right here, okay, if I was to put on that image, all right, if I was to put a ruler up, so it's supposed to show me, have you seen kaonekako? It's supposed to show me that image, all right? So it's not the only thing that is giving me Y, all right? Look at this, okay? Have you seen? Have you seen your image? We are able to see it. Irula nyalata, ilibe kuti we are able to see the other side. Nyalata. But if I put it right here, have you seen? It's giving us that image. That one, have you seen here? All right, it's giving us this. So this is why I'm saying this transformation is a reflection. But then you need to put up a statement, Swilanji. You need to put up a statement and say, the transformation, right? The transformation is reflection. The transformation is reflection with the mirror. The mirror at y equal to 2. Because mirror at ipita 2 in the y-axis. Okay? The transformation is reflection with the mirror at y equal to 2. So I always advise, and we always solve transformation in paper 1. All right? We do that. Transformation paper 1, we solve it. I strongly advise. My pesa, because if it's not translation, it's transformation. This is why it was easy for me to identify, to say, what we are finding is reflection. Mamvera, guys. The next question, which is B. I hope you are able to see the question. Are we able to see the question? Are we able to see the questions, guys? Okay. I think I'll be using this phone to go live with. It's saying, given that y is equal to 2x, now pay attention, Wanamulungu. We have been taught to find the dy over dx, and we have been given y is equal to 2x to the power 3 minus 4 over x to the power 2. All right? So let's work out E first, differentiate. Let's work out this before we differentiate. Are we ready? Are we ready? Let's work out this before we differentiate. Bana ba Mungu. Bana Mulungu. Mwetalembera ati 4 over x squared. Nichimozimozi nalemba ati 4 times 1 over x squared. How many are agreeing? How many are agreeing to that? To say E4 over x squared is something as somebody who has written 4 times 1 over x squared. JDM, Emery. Emery, you are Emery, so I'm about to join us. Oh, you're not one of those who said you are joining all. Then understand that 1 over x squared is same thing as x to the power negative 1. Negative 1, which was 1 over. Again, who is with me? Who's saying n is on? So now we are going to have 4x to the power negative 2. So alemba so na me alemba so. Same thing. The one who expresses it like that and the one who expresses it like that is the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to write this and say y is equal to 2x to the power 3 minus 4x to the power negative 2. Then I can differentiate. Irigabo tu? Irigabo tu badala? Vama? Irigabo tu? So I'm going to say dy over dx is equal to 2 times 3, it is 6. What happened to the power? What happened to the power? What happened to the power? Get reduced by 1. So nganari 3, power is ankara 2. Negative 4 times negative 2, it is positive 8. Then if we say negative 2 minus 1, it will be negative 3. Let me preach about this. Negative 2, takambati reduce by 1. Whether it is positive or negative, it will still reduce by 1. So negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. Not negative 1. And it reduces by 1. Even that, negative 3 is smaller than negative 2. So it has reduced by 1. Manvela Jacqueline. So we say 2 times 3 is 6. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. Negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. Subject Bwanji. Cheese in wrong group, very wrong life. So why positive 8? Guys, negative times negative is positive. Rexail, negative times negative is positive. 4 times 2 is 8. At English. You guys, if somebody can't easily identify Nisaf and Kamnam group, honest speaking, you see that person is not familiar with. How are you able to see the numbers, but then you're asking Kutin subject? No. Nishuyo muntu safani. Oh, we're not for that. Boy, mainly my live sessions are for my GCE. Oh, my beautiful angels. It's for my GCE. But even wa interno ni wakwatu. Wambela chizi. So if you are writing GCE or you are in grade 12, welcome. Guy wa shock. Good evening, sir. That's a message from WhatsApp. Let's continue. Even in grade 10, my grade 10 can be grade 10 mamfuna pajan kambocha introduce even when I'm introducing I'm introducing the group. Kuma first, but when we are doing topic, did Adma many years ago. That's good. Yeah, so this one has ended here. We're distracted by our friend who did Adma years ago. So no, so before na vametichi. That's more manages. So before na vametichi dive. Mayenga unacha Adima, then you said grade level again. There have no doubt. You said that you made a mistake. You wanted to say grade level. It's grade level. All right, let's continue, guys. Shall we? Mama Terik Chikondi, explain again. This is what I'm doing. Chimayuka. But pase koche chance. Ladies and gentlemen, y is equal to 2x to the power 3 minus 4 over x squared. All right. So takamba kuti iyi ni chimozi amene alemba 2x to the power 3 minus 4x to the power negative 2. E negative is the one that is giving us 1 over. I explained that. So we are now multiplying. Now we are finding dy over dxy. So it will be 2 times 3, it is 6. And then that 3, each up by 1. So it will become 2. Negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. Okay? Negative 4 times negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. X to the power negative 3. Martha, are you on this live? Vasa, don't zoom, it stops. Okay. Let's remove negative from power. Why? Okay, so what is that Mr. Kennedy is saying? We can also express this as or 6x squared plus 8 over x to the power 3. Let's try express by first. So why negative 3? Because this is negative 2. If reduced by 1, even that one 3 was reduced by 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Negative 2 minus 1 is negative 3. So we don't just write negative 1 because but it's reducing by 1. So meaning negative 2, if reduced by 1, it will be negative 1. No, negative 1 is actually bigger than negative 2. Negative 1 is bigger than negative 2. So there's no way we can make it bigger. Okay, I was responding to my good friend Martha. I was responding to my good friend. Let's go. Okay, so I know this one is not clear. Let's be clear on that one. I know this question is not clear, so I'm going to copy up so that muone napapat. Okay, so before you start crying, hey, it's not clear, hey, Bwanja, I'm going to copy. So I have that one right here. Another one right here. $40. We have 30 degrees right there. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Are you ready? Can you hear me? Are you ready and can you hear me? Utu, they are not for decoration. They are telling you to say OB and AB are equal in length. OB and AB are equal in length. So if OB and AB are equal in length, that means this angle right here and the angle right there, they're also equal. Mumveraka? If OB and AB is equal, so are their angles. So if we have 40 here, know that my interior angles of a triangle adds up to 180. So apangani 40. Mukumva, apangani 40. You can easily know this because now you're going to say from 180, take out 40. Remain with 140. Divide by 2 equal angles. You get 70 degrees. So this will be 70 degrees and that one will be 70 degrees. Mukumva? Are you guys getting that? Then extend your true north. Extend your true north. If you're dealing with bearings, extend your true north. Now, Papa, please, don't forget this in an exam. So I'm going to extend the true north. E. Napa. Okay, let me just take it. Okay. I'll bring it back. I just want to draw a true north. Please be advised. Please be advised. All right. Because if you're dealing with bearings, every position should have a true north. Every position should have a true north. Thank you so much, David. Is it David? So listen, my good friends, listen. Vasa, what settings have you put? It's refusing to respond. What do you mean it's refusing to respond? Guys, what is happening? What setting have I put? I didn't put any settings. Allow comments, mask, allow. Since I've come by. Mwala mpenya ine dekeni nsambili shefi. So I'm also not getting it. Good enough to find. Yeah, it's not me, it's TikTok. Ngandine. Mu comment afshan. Let me check. So instead of me, show the most sent comments. I've removed it. Ilangis are the most sent. Star comments. I don't know what star comments is. Allow your viewers to send star comments. I don't know what star comments are. Filter on. Okay, let me remove filter. How about now? Are you happy? I'm not your madam. I'm not a madam. Now, pena. Madam in. Hello, T. Nachosako ya chancha nidiche. So we have true north. Okay? So now listen, guys. We have 30, 70. Line yeta fakai. They are straight lines. The lines that we have put, they are straight lines. So straight lines add up to 180. So if he is 70, 30, 70, will make 100. What angle would that be? What angle would that be? $80. Thank you so much. 80. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if this angle right here is 80, that means E yonso kuna hivi ifani konkala 80. Okay, if that angle is 80 there, so is this angle. Entire this angle should be 80 as well. But I'll get back to that. So, Yonse, it was 70. Because of this line, this 30 is also here. That angle there is also 30 degrees. Making 70 minus 30, this will be 40. Again, this line, all right, it's a transversal, making this angle to be equal that 40. 40 plus 40, 80. That's same 80 that I mentioned earlier, if you have been following. At where is 80 coming from? Nakamba straight line. Every straight line here straight, iliyonse, adds up to 180. Every straight line, angle yake yonse adds up to 180. Ukumva we? Every straight line, its angle adds up to 180. So, a straight line adds up to 180. So, if this is 30, 30 plus 70 is 100. 180 minus 100, it is 80. Now, no wonder that one is 80. You're getting it. Don't worry, you're getting it. You're getting it, Wanamungu. You're getting it. So, let's proceed. So, if this is 80, that means that one is equal to that, which is 100 degrees. Have we already answered the question? No, we haven't answered the question. Now, we are going to say the bearing of B from A is coming from where? A. B from A. Which true north are we using? The true north of A going to the line that connects A and B. Mukumvaga? So, I wish I had another pen. Oh, I found it. My wish has been granted. So, B from A, we are using the true north of what? A. We are using the true north of A. So, it will move clockwise. Clockwise means so. Clockwise movement is in this direction. So, I'm using the true north of A going to the line that connects A and B. A and B, E line. So, I'll move like this. Before I give my answer, what do you think this angle will be? What angle is that one? What angle is that one? Again, the reason why we extended the true north is to make sure that we don't sweat. We don't sweat. So if this angle here is 40 degrees, nga iya shara yala benshi, because now we still have a straight line. Good, Linda. Is it Linda? Lina, Derek, Natalia, King, Precious, Big Z, Natalia again, J King, Tabel, Suilanji, Vana Ethan, JDM. The answer is 140. How? We are going to say a straight line is 180. Ngatwafumia muka 40 aka. Will remain with the 140 degrees. The day you're going to forget that degree, Alex, will be the day they are not going to mark you. Because you just writing degrees. You just writing degrees. Super. The first 5 people are going to pay 50 kwacha will get to join. Then I'm going to do this. So the first 5 people, if you wish to join our online classes, so I wanted to go direct by 75, but I can still give the early birds. We give opportunity to the early birds. So if you are here, let me know for any of our subject. So you pay till July. If you are here, let me know. So the first 5 people, I'm allowing a 50. I haven't indicated a price up yet. So please, physics is actually science. Okay, so the first 5 people, I'm allowing 50 kwachas. Vali 5 ameanza joina. Nivomeleza 5 kwacha. Oh. The first 5 people I'm allowing a 50 kwacha, then it will increase. So nafuna dabona ine rulimiri yanga inchite betray 5 kwacha, but I can do it. Nope. Nope. Yes, 5 kwacha. Isaac Mkamba Mweka, Prudence. My elder sister is Prudence. My big sister is Prudence. May I proceed? May I? 174, 10, 92, okay. Ungalimbe number boss. Ntengo wako chechi basa. Walai. 10. Alipo 5. Ukamba weka. Ngayo namba mkopa yo. 4 more people. 4 more people. 4 more people. This is... Iwe nkufaka po na yochosera. Nkufaka po yochosera. Na kuchosera kwa kudara wambu kutuma exactly. Nkufaka po na yochosera. So 4 more people. Agnes Zulu received. Let's continue. Let's continue. We'll be bringing the number. The next one is saying O from B. O from B. O from B. Yeah, Agnes Zulu have received. O from B. Oh, Chola, yeah, Agnes. It took you time to join Chola. Munga suma join every day. O from B. So we are using the true north of what? B. Going to where O. And I knew why I had to write 100 in advance. I just had that feeling. Now let me add 100. So we are O from B. So we go the true north of B. All right. So we'll go clockwise to the line that connects B and O. So. Now, I'm going to show you how you can answer this one. You can answer it in 2 ways, depending on which one you're okay with. I'll use the straight line is 180. 180 plus 100 will get you 280 degrees. You can answer it like that, or you can say, if I added this 80, I would have had a complete circle. So you can simply just say, muri 360, take out 80. What are you going to remain with? You remain with 280. So either way, you still get it. Razor guys. Razor guys. Razor guys. Please, please, categories usakakaivari. Bantu, school. You'll be surprised kuti muntu you even wondering organiza vichani. Sure, where is that 100 coming? Daddy, a straight line add up to 180. Apangani 80 degrees. Guys, asara zankazi ngati. Nga straight line wakamba it's add up to 180. Wakuza pani 80. Yasara ncha. Yamene muzimu mvela ulesi kuganiza. Nde utireterera. I start again. Ntinike daddy. Mami, ntinike ni wa mimi. Rewind me. Siri, start again. Siri, start again. Last time, ona nwana mulungu, wherever you go, even in university, if you are not clear, pose a question. Be specific where you need help. You telling me to start again, to repeat, to not clear, no chance. You're not helping yourself. You're not giving me a chance to help you. If you say I'm not clear, it's you. You are not clear. I'll be like, oh, you're not clear. Okay. Be specific. I can't have answered it. No, I can't have answered it. But Dinus now, I can't have answered. I can't. I have answered it. Question B, I didn't understand. Question B, I didn't understand. How did you find question B? We are moving from B going to O from B, O from B, the true north of B. We move clockwise. We move clockwise. E clockwise. So I made clear, and wonder I emphasized on writing, yes, I'm behind on a straight line. Every straight line add up to 180. So kuchoka hapa kufika hapa ni 180. 180 plus 100, 280. Kamuzani joinan group smufuna. Unata mnononti. Kutuwa pena mfi wasango fe nao pena. Pano. Kutuwa pena. It's 2020. Nichota explain when I'm going to nononti. I don't know what nononti means. Can question tagi nononti ha. Kutuwa ya nempanga chinka fe chari. Because I don't know what nononti is. Nononti you? Have you nononti the question? That's why I'm proud of my students. That's Professor Chana. Guys, those who wish to join our online classes, join on my online classes. Tingabona bando ya mairo. Tikampempani bando ngamboranga ndiswa street kid. So join on. Tipange bando ya mairo. Too much comedy naleka kuchita concentrate. Oh, it's your first time being on the live. If you're a newcomer, don't catch feelings, Pano. We are not on a dating site. If you're a newcomer, don't catch feelings. We are here to learn. Songa ndo wakatempa. Mwalafu ana BP Pano. Duenu. Maximum. Sir, can I join even for ukalimwana first? Kulako pangono next year. Wala pena pantu. One thing is that these jokes are what makes us remember how to solve. Ninamfaka mkabotoro ka glycerin onambara. Maybe come botoro ya glycerin. Guys, join the group kite. Pangeko ya bando. Yeah, it's not Tinder. Kutubwera umeka. Sanga ndo last born. Kwanu kweko. Sir, can I see answers for Mbekeza? Tumako ya bando. Ndepoza on a question. Because inufuna wantu walipide. Pangeko ya bando ufuna question. Hold on, I'll show you later. Your friends are catching mathematics. You are catching feelings. Are you mad? You decrease number. Iyapa. I'm allowing 50 kwachas. So 4 more people. I'm allowing 50 kwachas for any of this subject, per subject. Ni it number mwemfumo. Iyapa. If vana va skuru zona. Na number si oneka. I know mathematics is complicated. Mulibe MTN. Mamini na network yonse. Zambian network can teach you, can show you pepper soup. So I have all networks. Kulanda fiat ndefana ya zamteo kukuwipa boy. Zamteo siri anda mobile money. Zamteo siri anda mobile money. Ay. Ndimo mata muntu aposita ati wigi to pin at how much, but you should own. So the first 3 people, 4 more people to go. 4 more people to go. No matter where you go, atikumbuka kwanu kwachoka onyetwamos. No matter where you go, remember the Lord that did you. Hello guys, at send your band. So the online classes are every day, Monday to Friday, Daddy. Monday to Friday. It's Monday to Friday. It's Monday to Friday. Remember the na 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 na. I will lead you home. Iwe huyu avilima huyu Cairo Road huyu Natalia Cairo Road avilima uivala kuti mwamene ndimwe nigulira mubando waiweka ndongo kamba proceed yambapo nga kulikotamangira yambapo zatipeza. So can I send tomorrow morning? Tomorrow morning mwapaka problem mukamba tomorrow morning, but then tomorrow morning smutuma. So Cairo Road has a voter. Then guys, let's proceed to Kondwelese Cairo Road. It's saying the value of x and y are given to one decimal place as x is equal to 4.2 and y is equal to 7.3. Find the maximum value of x plus y. Hello, on the says a question. Oh, Prudence atumia pa MTN afuno dabwa. Hapa mkucha daboto vila cha paicha ipa charo. And the way my students of biology vija vikaferuka cheni shinavokaya mwe nichikiche fambia wao ni wanasumwa. That the way they are performing well, you know, it's the only group where whenever I give a test, the lowest will be 60 or guys, have you seen the question? Havana not clear. Yeah, because these guys are doing good. The biology. List laser. I don't see madam. Na vizunguva madongo, I don't see madam. Mayo, nano kupere phone ngata ulimpofu. Prudence, don't worry. More details are coming. The fact that you pay, don't worry. I don't see. I don't see madam. Flipa TikTok. Olevo mfia blurry. Ijayampo your feeling aja blurry. I'm waiting for. I paid yesterday. Nepali vuto yo now Matilda. Guys, okay, those who paid yesterday and those who paid today, I'm adding you right away. Because tell me why you paid, then you go quiet, and you're expecting me to rodela. Kuti now we are joining. Everyone who paid yesterday, I added them. Can we text that number on WhatsApp? I really want biology. Repeat the first. You text that number also repeat up video phone. So repeat out donate kuliva fikiriza. Call or WhatsApp. Use this one. Kamba cheva zone only. Ukatuma ndrama pali hapa nsho donate kuliva fikiriza. Also vako hivyo. Lazima funo mvera. Namba yo repeat hapo na WhatsApp. Siwezi funo repeat. Nipinda mulache is for those who paid. They need to WhatsApp me right now. I add them in the group. So ngasumvera donate kunafikiriza. Ero osaseka osafupanga ngai mumulibe wasekifikiriza. Bonse tina mavuto yafikiriza pana. Madam, what kind of English is WhatsApp? Where's my moderator? One, it is not even following me. Is busy. Chogapa chimutu. So this nigga wants me to write. Oh, TikTok, yeah, I'm black. I'm not racist. This nigga wants me to write. So you think that me, I can't spell what and sap? Which poor? Daddy. He's trying to correct me how to spell WhatsApp. And he's even saying Kaidi, meaning that he knows Nyanja. Wala sevana mwe afyashimwe. Ndekeni. On this live kukosa bosses. Matampo kuntendeka. Vasa, kindly answer me. It's how much? I'm allowing 50 I'm allowing 50 kwacha to the first 5 people. It's already somebody's, in fact, 3 more people to go. Let me add Matilda. She has texted me. Huyo ngakopele namba yake mwana wenu. Ni mafikizoro. Fikizoro. Oh, we already reached 300 members. Yoga daddy bashoka basa. Yoga daddy bashoka basa. Una alimbira voshoka. Yoga daddy ni ndani. Ichina chutanga chimwa muna. Yoga daddy ni ndani. Ngawambonza more information. Yowembekeza. Let me add Matilda and Matilda. Even in catch up. Oh, yo pa daddy bashoka basa. You know also if you wanna have it. So if you wanna have it. So if you wanna have it, I'm single. So I want to see the WhatsApp number. 2 years chichepe hapa. Leken sundemo. Take your time. I'm coming. Mfuna kuwaya. Nya banji kafunse blamon. This our blamo is. You the crazy. Guys, let's continue. At 50 kwacha per subject. Our per plot. Let's continue. Let me teach my students. I've been watch Prudence. Why want to mirror phone bunch na way? I want to find for kids. No kids here and yeah. Kids here. Prudence zama dingan muche can't sense. You guys, it's even showing up at per subject. Then somebody's asking at per subject. Yeah, per plot. You pay 50 kwacha at 20 by 20. Sindi wanayo no winango madalo fifth ato bepinga kaviri munga wame au madalo fifth. Let's continue, guys. You guys, let me teach. Leave me alone. I'm gonna teach now. All of my messages for the same course you are teaching. Achwa kutu. I want them for my daughter. Embegezana mkendani mna how old is your daughter? Mtasokanzi. Guys, embegezana, sorry. There's just alhamdulillah vuta huko. Not now, the grade 10 here. All right, guys, let's continue. Can we proceed? You know, Mimi Mbekeza. One need that I'm attacked by messages on WhatsApp. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Now, if you pass a WhatsApp number, we honor vitu muntu ari busy. Why muli so guns? You listen. Na Papa Tani, you are not going to stress me. Let me teach my students. Look, it's saying the values of x and y are given to one decimal place. X is equal to 4.2, y is equal to 7.3. So, there, that was that x is equal to 4.2 and y is equal to 7.3. I paid yesterday. What happened? Father, Heavenly Father, when I started this life, I prayed for any spirit of confusion not to confuse me. I'm just reminding you to say, anyone who's bringing confusion, katanche ku network yake. Tunseko bantu amina afuna help. Pas chifakidani kandeke ku network yake, chiendeko offline, tupunzire kwesi. Anybody who's bringing confusion, put it on flight mode. We are busy. Hey, Trevor. Guys, let's proceed. So x is 4.2. Y is 7.3. What is the absolute error if it's in one decimal place? What is the absolute error if it's in one decimal place? At 10. No, if you're planted, you guys, you make me look like I'm a bully teacher. You guys will make me look like as if I'm not a good teacher. Oh, no, they're not wrong. Sir, I also want for my son. You want for your son what? Yeah, somebody has paid. Put your chosera. Hey, you think I'm a bully teacher? Tell me why we are saying absolute error. We are not talking about a fraction. Yes, changing a fraction from a decimal number to a fraction, this would have been 42 over 10. Yes, you are right. But this is not what we are talking about. Okay? Mainga, put your chosera, mami. Nachosako kudara futu mkafuna diamu. So now listen. Iwo katamangira kwenda kulika foka chat GPTQ. We will know you. Listen. The absolute error, if it's in one decimal place, it is 0.05. Remember that in the name of Jesus Christ. Remember that. If it's in one decimal place, unless you don't know what one decimal place is, Landira Charimu. If it's in one decimal place, it is 0.05. So if we are finding maximum value for any of these, for x, we are going to add 4.2 plus 0.05. Ukumvaga, which will give us what? Let me give chance to my genius students to think. Peter Shakes is in the building. Peter Shakes. How you doing, Peter Shakes? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. It will be 4.25. You're right. That's the maximum. That's the upper limit. Upper limit or maximum female fin. So we add if we are finding upper limit. We add if we are finding the maximum limit. Minimum limit. Yamene 4.2. This time around we are subtracting. Mukumvaga? We are subtracting. I'm not responding to WhatsApp. You guys, respect to Anzano. Why using my bando? Smara, shy. Mayo. Let me put this one on flight mode as well. No, not flight mode. Zambuzo boy to 2-man drama. Let me do this here. 4.2 minus 0.05, it will be 4.15. You can confirm. Please confirm. Please confirm. Please confirm. So it's to pay how much? I want to wait. I want to pay tomorrow. Let me continue but tomorrow people can funtika you. We do the same with for Y. We do the same for Y. It will be 7.3 plus 0.05, which will give us what? 7.35. If it's in one DP, we'll lunch, but let me finish explaining this one. You'll confuse your friends. It is absolute error. It's absolute error. Okay, so what about for Y? Lower limit or minimum, it will be 7.3 minus 0.05, which will give us 7.25. Ilicha, guys, huh? Then let's go back to the question. Let's go back to the question. Bakambakuti, the maximum value of x plus y. The maximum value of x plus y. So I'm getting for x, it is 4.25. Plus for y, it is 7.35. Plus 5 plus 5, 10. 0 remainder 1. 2 plus 3, 5. Plus 1, 6. Point. 4 plus 7, 11. So the maximum value of x plus y is equal to 11.6. Munga avana chat GPTQ. Kabetha, how are you? Then we come here. We subtract. Bakamba x minus y, but there's nothing like finding the value, the negative value. Mumveraka, there's nothing like finding the negative value. Ukumva vonulavira. Ridiculous. Because the x plus y is what? Equal to our y. Oh, it's minus, sorry. Minus x minus y. 4.15 minus 7.25. So 4.15 minus it is 10% negative 3.2. Negative 3. I will show you. 4.15 minus 7.25. 5 minus 5, 0. 1 minus 2, it can't. Tafia penevi. Where is some perena man? Okay, let me just take 7.25 per one, but then I'll just put a negative. Because explain that one here. Because 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. 7 minus 3 is 7 minus 4 is 3. So it is negative 3.1. Yes, negative 3.1. Negative 3.1. What year? 2020. That was a very beautiful question. Variation. Sense of echo variation. Before Tawala Tampavana, I don't understand. Let's go to a variation. Sometimes you run away. They always want to wait. Vionani, you know what these guys do? The first explanation, they don't listen. It is for others. The first explanation is for others. Then they want the second explanation when they say, sir, I didn't understand. That's when they begin to understand. It seems like their understanding, they put it per pause first. I might come back and first. Yavo ni private case. Yeah. Ima mungamvere vonsi. Wait for me. No, me I'll ask. I'm not clear. I understand when I say I'm not clear. Abana I'm not understand. Ndeba mati diero double chati 2 hours that's over chetu ngono. Palast about guys I'm tired. You never know. Tia ni mayo. Chibe $1,000 of chan. Okay, T. Tien. Hey, Pangina na not fair. Hey, guys, let me teach. Let me repeat. let me repeat. Let me repeat. It's a nice dog to bite a girl. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we have been given the value. How using a plain paper. Book and papa math and yononge. We have been given the value. X is equal to 4.2. Wambia, but the videos are in the group. How it's okay. Daddy, let me explain. X is equal to 4.2. Wambia, X is equal to 4.2. Y is equal to 7.3. Now, Palimaro, they will change the narrative. There's some of no fun, some question. How I will explain. So I was explaining how many decimal places are these values, including for that for X and for Y. There are how many decimal places? If I'm behind, please help me. They're in one decimal place. Hey, thank you so much. So if every time you see a value in one decimal place, what is its absolute error? Please, let's kazikambani mweka, kazikomentani mweka. Every time your value is in one decimal place, what is its absolute error? Its absolute error is always 0.05. So, vatuza at maximum value. So I need to know what maximum value of each value is. Mumveraka, which is the same thing as the upper limit. So the upper limit is of X is ankara 4.2 plus the absolute error. Iwe kamana kanzero, but kama mvera koche less. What is 4.2 plus 0.05? My genius friend, but ulesi friend. What is 4.2 plus 0.05? I want to hear from you. It will be 4.25. How? I'm not clear. 4.2 plus 0.05, we are adding. If one can add 0, the last 0 is non-significant, it's just placeholding. 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 4 plus 0, 4. That's how we found the 4.25. This is the maximum value of X. What about the maximum value of Y, which is 7.3? We'll still add plus 0.05 kuriyena. So it will be 7.3 plus 0.05. Vanamulungu, time ya sita. It's not time to be flirting, time to play around. Na papata. 0 plus 5 is 5. 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 0 is 7. So the maximum value of Y will be 7.35. We have seen minimum kuria. Parina minimum somewhere. Tien. Minimum value. Teacher subtract manje. Yeah, X 4.2. Now we are saying minus 0.05. It's like we are now finding the lower limit. We are actually finding the lower limit. So 4.2 minus 0.05 ni 4.15. Please. Y is 7.3 minus 0.05. Y is equal to 7.25. Nakumbuka nachija but nayo uja. So we are now adding x plus y using the maximum values. So we have for x you have 4.25 plus for y it is 7.35. 5 plus 5 0. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1 6. Points. 4 plus 7 is 11. No wonder your friends were saying 11.6 for maximum value. Some of you mfanika upunzisiwa na Jonas. Upunzisiwa na Jonas Gomora. Bepo muleo mfikishana sana. Minimum value. It is naye uja mambala. Inani wafisa mtima chikimbe uja. Oh sorry. Kapusu mkafi. But foot was mine now mche na mumuli wiki. Ka wiki kalimu. 4.15 minus 7.25 it's negative 3.1. That's my, because there's no way. Akahese kumzambia. Akahese kumzambia. China nikadipusa mtima chikumi ashija. Orina audacity even saying I'm your father. Chikimbi you kutiana for kutiava mwana wako mamuna titi I'm your father. Hello, how ni fume. Calm down wasa. Calm down. No guys. No. Njipa nyama. Why nakumbuka mpunzisa mweleza. Nachita recruit wonse wakunchita waitamba pa wonse singambomvera kuipaneka. Singambomvera kuipaneka. Nachita recruit wakunchita wonse join the club of watching me. But whatever you do guys, this is the advice for guys. Ngauzo wanaiko na ka record na wanakateka kosa mvera. Please don't watch with wanakateka that movie. Trust me, wazakumbuka vana kururukira. If that movie is not, guys, do you have those wish to join our online classes? I'm now accepting 75 kwacha. Sio tamba na wanakateka, wazona chimwapo. Uzaosha vevi nafa. Nafa that movie. Ngaona kugwira poche something or want to pay. Don't watch. It's better choka tambe ku cinema. What's the title? The title is the polygamy on Netflix. That movie. Guys, those wish to join on. But okay, guys, it's just a movie. Sorry, it's just a commercial break 9. You are rushing somewhere, go. If you are rushing somewhere, continue. Block. I'm looking for those who are wishing. Guys, you know why I'm saying it's just a movie? Because tell me why a woman should live with her family pretending that she's not married to somebody, but then acting like brother wake ndemo mna wake, and then you are still cool. Unkala kwa Mrs. Ero mna wako unakwatira kwa ngala ku Ibex kunyuka sama. Imofia bupefyo na imoni movie fie. Nano ingafisuminevi. Tomorrow, madam. What is tomorrow, madam? You are not calling me, madam. You are not even following me. Kabie, mambara. What tumbai? Kabie. Let me teach. Guys, mwaleka kujoin. Do you have those wish to join our online classes for any of this? Mathematics, biology, science, or civic education? Do you have those wish to join our online classes? Mwamanira kule bantu wale kujoin. Anyway, let me finish teaching. I'm on episode number 17. I'll continue. It is given that y varies inversely. Please pay attention. You need more, say. Guys, this question has only one. You will pay attention at him. Yeah. Okay, want to join someone. It is given that y varies inversely as the square of x. It is given that y varies inversely as the square of x. Vana vanga vaigwira kudara. Vaigwira kudara. Even me surprised. Sir, question is not clear. Okay. It is given that y varies inversely as the square of x. I know. Okay, I know. Yeah, you got it. You got it. By now, you almost, yeah, you got it. I believe you. Enough no doubt. But I remember you that you're capable of. The table below shows some of the values of x corresponding to values of y. It can add easy, guys. So we are saying that y varies inversely as the square of x. So every time you hear inverse, it's 1 over something. Bianca, mtamangira kuti. Chibianca yo. Utamangira. So y is now equal to, where there is 1, we put k, constant of variation, over x squared. So the first question they're asking us to find the value of k, the constant of variation. So where there is y, I'll put 9. Yeah. I'll put 9. Where there is x, I'll put 2. Because we are learning together. Na kwa mtamangira since to understand. 2 squared is 4. Cross multiply. 1 times k is k. 9 times 4. Bianca. Tetiendele pamoja mami. At least compare, then you say, I got it. I'll trust you. I'll trust you. Mbera, iyo tamangira, ita distract. Ndepata ukapanga mistake manje when I come for you. When I come for you. Yeah, it's not a marathon. Itakuwa made for sure. Let's just move Antomwe. You are forgiven. You are not forgiven. To my band. To makoka band. I'll forgive you, Bianca. Now, bwera kuno bopeze B kamutu. Bopeze the value of A. Bwera. Come and find the value of A. Anita Jemima. Come and find the value of A. Joy, you're welcome. Lina Band. Kamson. Tia Mami, I know you get it. We are using this formula, okay? We are using this formula. Tia, what would be our Y?
Are you talking to me?
What would be our Y?
Our Y is going to be 4.
Good girl. What would be our K?
Our K will be 36.
We are finding what? A, which is
We're finding the value of...
No, our Y is not going to... Yeah, our Y is okay. We're finding B, which is okay. I've seen it. So we'll say x squared, eh? That's what is representing
Yes.
B, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But then, why is it saying find the value of... Oh, yeah, you know. It's saying find the value of A. So we need to find this one. Bianca na way. Huh?
Sir, I was only following what you are saying. Sorry.
So what would be... Let's start again. What would be our Y? Our Y would be Y, eh? Or A?
It will be A. Yes. Yes.
Robe matamango faka my feelings pasogoro. I'm scared to ask one two afunsa che ngaku blast and shina ku blast. What is our x? 6, eh?
6. Yes.
So it'll be 6 squared, right?
Yes, sir.
What is 6 squared? F your Bianca
36.
is A equal to 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Kabi.
Yes, it's equal to 1.
Okay. Wakamba vambiri vyara kamwe kako. Why is it bwera kuno bwera? Mungali minachoka pa screen ine kutuka zinyopa. Why are you scared? Wambosa mwana wakaswiranji.
Sir, how are you?
Kamba weka.
Okay, so my question is ukumazima kambati.
Mm.
9 should be replaced with y should be replaced with 9, and then on the other side you replace it with 4. That's why I'm confused.
I replaced with 4 where?
On the other side where you said 4 is equals to 36.
I think you were right when you were scared of. We are supposed to. Were you clear how we found y is equal to k over x squared? Excuse me, I'm talking to you. Were you clear when I said this?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me what is y? Since we're now using these coordinates, where there's y, I'm putting what?
9.
Thank you. Where there is k, what am I supposed to put on k?
You said 1?
Yo, pa k.
I've forgotten, sir.
Okay, boy pesa k. Okay, we are finding k. Okay. T. Then for x, what are we putting for x?
You said x should be replaced with 2.
X replaced. So good, you are right. So now 9 is equal to k. What is 2 squared?
4.
What? Sweetanji yanka na
Yes, sir, I'm here. It's 4.
Mangana, but why wenda kuti? Nafukamba kuti just answer. Did I say where are you? Listen, now we cross multiply. 1 times k.
Okay.
9 times 4.
36.
36. 36. You are right. It's 36. So this 4 we didn't just pluck it from the tree. We got it from there. 2 squared. Idiche?
Oh, okay. So okay, I understand now. So you replace that x with this 4.
No, Kasonde naiwe. Listen, x is 2. So where there is x, you are putting 2. 2 squared is the one that it becomes 4.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Okay. Tie pesa ya last. But navama main hapa. Find the last one. Tie, we are finding b. So where there is y, we are putting what?
We're putting 9.
Nakupapata. Ni tie ina corresponding ya b.
4.
So pali huwa itifaka pochani.
We're putting 4.
Are you my student in my WhatsApp group? Wewe kamba chizungu chaso ndafya sevambiri ndisa kugeto matikinga choke then where there is the x, what are we putting?
We're putting b.
And where there is k, what are we putting?
We're putting 9.
Mama, k.
Sorry, 36.
Oh no, so it's such a way, kaka. Yako.
So this is my first time learning this. I'm sorry.
Ngamboza. Ai, kaswiranji kangakwaize mbambo. Yo chiswiranji get out. 4 times b squared is 4b squared is wiranji. 1 times 36 is 36. Fideo mfwika?
Yes, sir.
Kaswinga boomzi. Mafomuli 36 alimwe yangati. Chisuwi.
Yes, sir.
Mafomuli 36 alimwe yangati. Now we are not on a find, we are not
No,
on
I
match.
think it's my network is a bit slow. It's 9.
Na chizungu chako cha mushe so na network yovuta. Nga skyline ka Skype light ija. What is the square root of 9? Oh, wait. What is the square root of 9? You should take some ginger tea. It's nice, okay? Do you take ginger?
Yes, I do.
It's nice for you to clear your cough, okay, my friend? And keep yourself warm, okay?
Thank you so much, sir.
It has been a pleasure.
Likewise.
Kavie, likewise good. Chimuntu. Kasubi kaye nkaufi. Ati this is my first time learning. Yani she apasembekana diploma in learning with me. Guys, those who wish to join our online classes. Anyone who wish to join our online classes? You are now chimakeife no muleke mwana wene. Umulimbikile, she's lying. Bwanji muleke soche. Rekani nami. She has let her lie to me. Christy pay. Lipira mami. Join our WhatsApp group. Tiguri sako kuti join our WhatsApp group. Vana vasikulu vevafuna kupunzira naise tigura. Go. Ero mumkonke ku inbox mwana wa bene mzamenyewa. Swiranji, anyone who follow you for English, let me know. Let me tutula vamambara. Yeve mvesese ni seko theorem. Ngati simulipira tisavire kazona. Mani ngopunzisa swa joina. Ya bando mairo nzaicho zaku. Nifumie kuoni ya bando ya mairo. Nga mujoina lini. Which level? Which level? Level. Tilemba jisi imwe mujulai. Tilemba jisi imwe mujulai. Ufunza ukamba. Kamba zintu. Start the same question. Wanangari mbini motoka kuti ncha nyinyi brum hai. Chimutu. Tikamba kairi teach. Oh, ati mulemba mjulai, so I should teach. Yeah, kandi ni madosa mamand. So if I don't teach, then muzaspeza muli December. When do we start? The lessons are already happening. Ngasina punzise ni she's that double till Christmas. Mafroni ambila dara. Anita saying I've known. What do you mean? Add me in a group I've paid. So mami zona, mwaona mnavuto na skuru. Mwaona. I'm still on the live, yet you're asking me to join. Nzaku join sabwanji. One leg on the water, the other one on the fire. Yeah, vana ma short tempers va cook and fair. Kulimba pana. Kulimba. Guys, we proceed. Guys, shall we proceed? Ladies and gentlemen, we move. Panamlung, we move. Okay. What is BOD? Who can tell me angle BOD? Who can tell me angle BOD? Kabwela ka kwanza. Kwanza wara. Jakuri wala kwanza. At what is the angle BOD at trigonometry? This is not trigonometry, second theorem na papa. The angle at the center is twice the angle on the circumference. Now let me preach more about this one. Let me preach. Mulantende kafe mweka. Mulantende kafe mweka. Mulantende kaka watini kakorwe. Na katukolwe. Mulansunga mulantangata kwatini kakorwe. Preach in capital letters. Kambaweka. So the answer mbekeza na iwe. Mbekeza. Mungatakamba kuti and the winner is Gumia. Okay, ladies and teach will send you your band mail. Galero mulibe ya mail za pesa bwanji. Hey, ungapontere baya. Okay, boss. I'll be waiting. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Sakalite. My village people. At Sakalite. Mutowewa. In a lighting, Nichemush. What do you mean, Kalite? You guys, educate me. How is my lighting? Kondo so tipunzidere in the dark. Candlelight learning. It's not bright. Hey, Wakamba, then it's a light. It's not a bright. It's not a bright. It's a light. Okay, we can just give it a name, bright. Your light from today onward, you'll be called bright. Ladies and gentlemen, I was explaining. Now listen, time to learn. So, have you seen E code BD? BD, have you seen that? From the same BD, kwachoka E radius 9. Okay? Then again from same BD, kwachoka E. This is why we are saying this angle that has been formed as a result of these 2 points is 2 times here. So, angle BOD is 2 times 47, which is 94 degrees. Please don't forget the degrees. Same circumference. When I think your theorem. Your theorem. Same circumference. Circumference in Chimozi, each in the circumference. So angle at the center is twice the angle on the circumference, sustained by the same chord. So mpion. Ladies and gentlemen, even if we had another one, it will still be the same. Also, chokera apa, so will still be equal, is twice there. So upper ni 94 degrees. Iriche? This is random. Because Jonas join. Mrs. Random. Where is that two coming from? Twice. Yo, who is that one? Debbie. When they say twice, uganza twice in Chan. Go forward that twice now, but angle at the center is twice. What is twice? Kavina she's learning. Wasa report. Chifunolemba repeat. Kondo kamba repeat yakanga na spelling. Ladies and gentlemen, the angle at this upper ilividi, because it's coming from the same code. Mpion. So if that is 47, upper is twice, meaning that is 2 times 47, which is 94 degrees. Since upper I'm going to explain bunch. Upper nga ukudia chitumbua chimozi apa peve ukaenda papa ukudia vitumbua vivili. Apa ngaona boyfriend umozi ukakukita chi apa unkana ma boyfriend vavili. Yeah, kuzinga vemunga using emoji. But AJ waona AJ wambika kuhaya. But anyway, before I continue, let me use this. Let me bring this guy. Come. This guy was really supportive. So far, he was one of my best students. You AJ?
Hi, sir.
Waona vyo okay wao unanifaa kuhaya.
Sina mpagene kwa sina miuze na timu ni remind that naga ntuma busy.
Nachara yachukulira ije okamba kuti ati how is work kaisinga kamba teje wazanza nikute nayo zingachukulire kai.
Did you?
I did. But then okay, before you do that, pick 2 people that I'm going to tutor for free. You're my G. And this.
Sibaoneka bafuna.
Saoneka yafuna. Asank. Okay, they need to follow you then inbox, then you send
this
me.
weekend. I'll pass by this weekend.
This Saturday?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem, AJ.
All right.
But then I don't know how you're going to pick. I don't want to put you in the awkward position. If you can manage, go ahead and pick. If you feel like after the entirely up to you.
Pasangwani batera.
Ma?
Batera na varungwe.
Varungwe na tea. Nayo ndo songa rungwe nuti. Pana rungwe hapa. Sachi takuna comment wanakuwa mchosa.
Mimi naona pa first.
Ndepe asogoloka na arungwe yeye. Okay J, nambapo.
All right, sharp. Thank you.
Manje je Susan nama ya pasatade chitakovonga chite kai so that ya pasatade tikaimbekeze muchi.
I'll send the name.
All right, daddy.
Sharp.
Arungwe sinza kuyachokera. But anyway, you have won yourself. Ataman following. Kamba weka chimake Ethan. Iwa cha arungwe wachoka kuti. So arungwe na terala. Matemba. Jerosi at proceed. Jerosi. The next one we're finding OBD. We are finding OBD. The next one we're finding OBD. O is here, B is there, D up. Now, please pay attention, Manamlung. Pay attention. Va proceed. Mulimo. Muchikondi na iwega. I knew it. Ladies and gentlemen, This is radius, and that is also radius, meaning this length is equal to that length. How many are agreeing with me? This length and that length. You see how I value my students. I'm even allowing my former students to come and just add people for free because he has been supportive. He was supportive student. Saturday. So, interior angle of a triangle add up to what? Interior angle of a triangle add up to what? Interior angle of a triangle add up to what? 180. So, nga in 94, tizakamba 180 minus 94. We are going to get 86. 10 minus 4 is 6. 17 minus 9 is 8. So it's 86. Then, because this length and that is equal, that means this angle and that angle is also equal. So we divide 86 by 2, which will give us 43. So apa pazanka 43 degrees, napaja 43 degrees, making our OBD to be 43 degrees. I'm taking my time in explaining. Then kuzapeza cha umoja mimi afuna cheku mwandi. Ngwanga please. Where is the 2 coming from? 2 angles are equal. 2 angles are equal. Iwe ngavonsi babiri mfano kugabana meva same. Then wakupasa 86 kwacha at gavanani mwe babiri. How are you going to divide? Ngawakupasa 86 kwacha wakamba kwamba kuti mugabane equal, because now I've said these 2 angles are equal. So muzagabana zingati? Even if mapasa 86 kwacha muzakumpasa 20. Where's Miracle? Miracle! Navarambe. Murusaka ni nzeru saka 20 kadicheka. Kamba weka. Nafara kwecha mpepo wewe kutoa wafane mpepo na live ya shara BDC. Boy, you were doing kabona ko or wafusa question kamba sa I didn't understand. No, not sir I didn't understand, but sir iwe ka Miracle sumafunza yo. So you mean umamvera and thousands. The guys, that's my bestie. BDC. Where's BDC? BDC. So this angle right here. So please, ladies and gentlemen, please understand that I angle ili hapa. Okay, now before I continue, yeah, you're right. But then before I get to that, I want just to verify something real quick. So 43 plus 68, I'm getting 71. Okay, that is 165. Okay. No, nothing like equal. So this angle which is here, ladies and gentlemen, we need to first find this angle which is right. So this angle which is here, this angle plus that one, we say a cyclic quadrilateral, right? Cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. So this unknown angle plus 47 should give us 180. So simply say 180 minus 47, which is 133. It's not, no. So is it? Yeah, it's 133. So here it's 133. So, ladies and gentlemen, now that I know this is 133, nitenga aka. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Aka. Ka C, ka B, na ka D. This. Mayona? E. 28 degrees. Then kamba kuti interior angle adds up to what? 180. Good. So I'm going to say 133 plus 28. 11, 1 remainder 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 161. Ijarina pesa. So muli 180 ngatusamu 161. Alashara nenshi. Bolo. 10 minus 1, 9. 17 minus 16. So here it will be 19. So the angle BDC will be 19 degrees. Hey, vakomenta kuda. Mwapiai? Sorry, sir. Where is 47 coming from? Tinari na menso tatuare mona. E. That's where 47 is coming from. It's right here. It's coming. Chugloria chongo. Uza Judith Wangaso. Uza Judith Wangaso. Ngu block. Unga uza Rachel Mwanza vaso. Is that even Rachel Mwanza? Walas. Kaya. Namuzani nganiamba ma student wangu osangenera chimo chikamwenako. Zaka kana mu pa live kulibaza ka sheria atendipitirize. Naonapo aticha ndo apunda kapenta na saladi ipye. Aticha ndo apunda kapenta na saladi apya wamenyana kapenta na saladi ipye. Aticha ndo apunda na game no police. Okay. 10. Anambira njala. I mean, I always stay for 2 hours. Ikapokwa na 2 hours paponze. Imwe magumi avemuza inati mulimu. Unanifaka mcha? Mwe mchita confirm nga nilimo nachokamo. Mushi mwambika imwe vishetan. Mushi mwambika mumleche kingati nilimo. Mwambika mushi. But you think that I ran away. Mwavisi ya jana. Hey, unamwaipa bora wa Bishop. Bishop, how are you? Good to see you. Muchibasa. Akamba tumavisi anamwai. Unamwai face of Bishop end. I'll come for you. Wait. Bishop timing wa Bishop. Timing wa Bishop na papa. I want to lecture somebody. Ni mu block no block amba chivereshi. I know Bishop auza inati ati mulimo mumavisi. Unamwa I respect that man of God. First vakaenda mwacho waramwenako. Nzapanga nga makoro vakaenda varendo ponoko. Ndei. Walazi kulibena vapepani. Walazi wa chikomedi. Tisirizana kesa Bishop vaende. Uzena tinu ni mumavisi. Bekeza wona. So guys, we have been given what cos, yeah? So this kind of equation, we go back to SOHCAHTOA. All right, SOHCAHTOA acts as a guide. SOHCAHTOA. So this one being a 90 degrees angle, that makes this to be hypotenuse. Okay? So if that's the case, we have been told that cos x, all right, so since this is where x is, by the nature of this angle here, this is our opposite. That becomes adjacent. All right? So what was that? Cos x is equal to 2 over 3. Then understand that cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So in other words, they are telling us, please understand this. They're actually telling us to say our hypotenuse is 3. But how come from 15 you have yankala 3? How is it possible that from 15 yankala 3? So what you are going to do in order for us to know, because now adjacent of hypotenuse, meaning 2 adjacent ni pamwamba. Hypotenuse ni pans. Please pay attention. According to SOHCAHTOA, adjacent of hypotenuse. Now, if tikakonkai ya chinja hypotenuse yankala 3, then they want us to find the same adjacent. Because the question is saying find the length of QR or calculate the length of QR. QR, according to our description, is adjacent. So what they have done, they have just simplified the work. So ni number bwanja metinga ngene semuli 15, it passes 3. 5, right? So what they did, they had a 15 down here. All right? So if we say 2 times 5, we get a 10. So our length RQ, it will no longer be 2. It's only that they simplified. 5 into 10, 2. 5 into 15 is 3. That's why we have that. So normal sizing, our RQ is supposed to be 10 centimeter. Yasira no sira. This is why Nikonda, if you know that you are a slow learner, please, no offensive intended. If you know that you're a slow learner, if you know that you have difficulties in catching up, join my WhatsApp group. That way, I'll be monitoring and see how you're improving. Your friends started like that. Your friends were also feeling like Nivma slow learner. Even the video number 1 kuyanka no yanka. They're now there. You understand? Do you know what makes you guys to even say repeat even when you understand? Because look at this. I'm going to be honest with you. How panic is, even when you know something, that's how panicking is. No wonder mkata panic matotera asadi mutire manzi mbinzi mwandotera muunga because you are panicking. Are you getting that? So your panicking is now making, even if you have understood the explanation, this is why it's a repeat. Because your mind is telling you to say, it's also type of a stage where you reach. Okay, and then that one, it causes us to procrastinate. Because you keep on wanting the same thing. You are scared of going to the next one because again you feel panicked. Haven't you asked yourself why you always you revise the same questions? Haven't you realized that you always revise the same question? Why don't you try those others which are difficult? And here I am. I'm saying if you wish to join our online classes, only 75 kwacha till July. Then you don't want. Tell me what I shouldn't do. Okay, what should I do? What should I do? I sue. Olwoyo wesuuba oyo ng'ate bwanjai. Today is 75. Yesterday it was what? Good to see you, boy. Hope you're good. I need to end the live. Lelo chikana kubwera cholangiza mina. I'm watching football. Liking delaying yourself and Jemima until mzaka ipeza ilipa 70. Wait, yesterday I was allowing my 50 kwacha. But since you guys you enjoy procrastinating, bro, can I pay for my daughter? And the George in the mama can be that such. Siniza apa mseka kukapan vazona. I don't know. You chitera somebody has already picked you. You are joined for free. Don't push it. At pro what? Natumla over pro ini. Let me continue my you should WhatsApp me, we talk. I'm waiting to be added. Wanamlungu. Oh, you mean procrastinate? So 71 subject. Is this no? Hello, boss. 75 per subject. 10 it is. Let's continue. A book first in Gasir. First pen paper. Put can see you is wait for 50 kwacha. Night ambapo if you wait. I made the payment yesterday. Those who made payment yesterday, they joined. Please, if you paid yesterday, kindly use this line to WhatsApp me so that you can join. Let's stop delaying ourselves. My 100 kwacha. My students, whatever we do, please remind me tomorrow should be 100 kwacha. Not more, not less. Not less, but more. My 100 kwacha. Mbekeza one. Can you guys let me continue. So the one who paid yesterday and I didn't add you, please WhatsApp me. Na pari maro monengali mbindine vai impia shabalanda. Yeah, you're right, Astrida, but then marishupa. Mkabolanga ndine wampia shabalanda. Mwadipira monga niyopa kumijoini sana. No. Moreover, yesterday we reached 300 students. My goal is to get sometimes I'm trying at least if I can have, look at this, 301. DJ. Guys, narema. Narema. At least napunsa ko narema, guys. Chulunga moja. Hey. Ambela msana nga nezo twerking narema. So let's continue. Zagona ineka. Msabare kutunda ma blanket kuzizira kutia yume butako. Just a word of advice. A straight line L as the equation that one. Find the y coordinates of the point where L cuts the y-axis. Where L cuts the y-axis. Let me continue explaining this one because I need to break it down. Not today. Question number what? 18B. I'll continue from here tomorrow. Nalema. My brain can't allow me to explain anymore. Not sure question. Yeah, it ends like that, but then I'll just explain it tomorrow safely. So that at least with a lot of energy. Nalema. I need to send the exercise to a catch up. Yeah, you are not, but it's more than that, Kwanza. It's more than that. Edith Nakawala, you're Nalema, guys. What time? 19 hours tomorrow. 19 hours tomorrow. I haven't even, Mali Munalipo. I haven't even prepared for Fenza Faramarunji tomorrow. Naka vipusa. Well, iwe ule remba bwino tuition unangoza remba pochi wote last. Yes, we are waiting for exercise. Yeah, I need to send the exercise to a catch up. Vajemai matuman 50 kwa chayanu yo. Vunda wakulira. You even want to wait until tomorrow for 50. Mulangala na exam. Aimwe. Mulangala na exam. How you guys play with exams? You are not from a rest easy hapa. Ay, ati tuition Ambia mulungu tuma vana vakaso imwe. Razabella tumani ma 50 kwa chayanu. Which line? Guys, hold on. Ngabo tuma ikanilangize mami ninapinda mura kuti mtenge namba. Wai mmanchita so kanzi. Iyo. Too much makethen madongo. Chimakethen. Let me know if you Sbu. Let me know if you have let me know if you have gotten the line, boy. Muleke, can I also say Tumani? Okay, Tumani ma 50 once. Tumani kaufera. Amu tumia ma 50. Nalema. Mama, visa tumila pali naye ujasibu safu nota confirm. Use this line or this. Airtel or MTN, use this line. I think ifani kache. Bako chena. Imwe mangena mfuno join ya mara mambo ponda nanga 45. Mwapianga mza join. Mwaruza. Zamuza AJ kuche shamba ma setting chicha cha mfuno join ya mara. Sangesa chabe alungwe. Vingate donate kufikiriza. Nzauza cheo arungwe. Arungwe ye. Bari kuta arungwe. Na barungwe swafuna mvano hivyo. I'll explain. AJ is my G. Zakambati arungwe nawe zasowa. Are we raining what? What are we raining? Guys, nganare maina kunitamba chenda fen monen. You guys, I go. What is CE na your way? What is CE? Civic education. You were thinking of joining, sir. So now join a civic education you were yesterday. You paid for what? Alungwe waenda. Mwaona alungwe saa ulipo. WhatsApp me, mami. You should WhatsApp me. Okay. Guys, naenda. Those people who are supposed to send my 50 kwacha, have you seen they didn't send her? Okay. Let me go. Napani mayonde nukutu anumuna kwati. Hey. Vikangu nafaka po chosera ka. Sivi mwisho vivi. Kwinji hai. Uza nakanira ni nuvombo nuza vama rest easy. Mwabene imo, wao mlipa duty lero. Okay, va boss va Rosbera. Mayo chosera wesi mnafake pokaso ka. Imo mlipa duty. Umbululu kana mpepo e. Chimozi saka yuma mpesa kamfiti kusenga digenda. Urest. Asu urest. Na mumulowe mtende. Mumulowe mtende. Guys, thank you so much for being here. Let's meet again tomorrow by grace of God. I appreciate the amazing time we shared. Shalom. Naonka. Bye-bye. Hasta la vista, baby. I'll send for withdraw tomorrow and send in for biology. Okay, boy. Okay, Wachipondo. Naonka.